Fiverr, online marketplace for freelance services. I will use IBM Spss to produce statistical data analysis survey and research reports. My area of expertise is IBM Spss softwares. I am a statistical data analysis expert who will professionally produce statistical reports. Apart from that, I am also skilled in other statistical tools, including Strata, R, Power BI, Python for data analysis, Minitab, Tableau, and also Excel and XLSTAT. So what other analysis, the type of analysis that I conduct quantitative analysis, qualitative, impact, statistical, descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and my other expertise is that I can be able to do factor analysis, regression, time series, and clusters, and business insights and trends. Thank you. Area of expertise is data analytics in survey and research. These are my packages. I have a basic package at $15, and I have a standard one at $35, and I have a premium at $50. Just ensure you visit for you to contact the seller, and I'll be able to assist you when it comes to statistical data analysis. Thank you.